Okay, everybody, this is part 2. In the last part we had this already built. If you haven't seen the first part, then go see that part, because I'll tell you a little bit about the gun. But for now, we already got this done, so now we are going on to these two parts. So this is the barrel. This barrel is actually pretty good. I like it a lot. It has a flip-up sight, and I love how it has the bottom and the top, so you can hold a scope. So now it has that, and then we have the grip, which goes on the bottom. But sometimes people, for some stupid reason, put it up on the top. That. So if you want to go like, so yeah. But I mainly love it on the bottom. Okay, I think it's on. So now, this is the full gun. I love it a lot. It looks like an AK, like I told you guys in part 1. Yeah, buddy. So yeah, this was part 2. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Share this with your friends. So yeah, thank you for watching. Peace out.